Let's go to that site contents once. Yesterday we have created columns and views, correct? Hmm. Today let's see with the document library. Yeah, I have given the definition of what is list and library. You remember? List is that where we can put the content, and library is nothing but where we can upload the files, where we can maintain the documents. Okay. Yeah, and if you want to create any document library, and before going to create the document library, let's see that in the site contents what are the document libraries are here. You can see this is that icon here showing. This icon indicates these are all the document libraries only. Okay, style library, site assets, cost library, form template, documents, these are all libraries only. And countries, H2 school, Y school, these are all lists. Okay, let's okay, before going to that, let's see the documents library also. This is that out of box library, it will come with the site. Okay, so you can observe here we can create only simple documents here. If you want to create that same document library, you can go here and click on that add an app, and you can go here, click and add an app. Both are same. Once you went to that templates section, here you can see the templates. Okay, here is the document library template. You can select this document library template and create the new document library. Just click on that document library here. Here what I am doing, Johan books. Okay, create. Now it will create that library with the title column, same as that custom list. See, title I said here name. Okay, so name modified and modified by, these two columns are showing, but in the background there are lots of other columns. You can go to that list settings and library settings from this option, and going to the library settings here, clicking on that, and what I want to say, okay, first let's change that view to the world view. Is this? Yeah, classic view. Okay, we'll discuss in the classic view. In the classic view we can see that ribbon also. See, this is that classic view, and you can see the here ribbon. Okay, ribbon and library. So you can clearly observe this is the library it is showing and files it is showing. For the school list, if you observe there, it will show list and items. Open this by school. You can see here items and list, and here you can see files and library. The difference is this is the library, that is the list. Okay, and you can see there are lots of other differences also in the ribbon. We will discuss later about those options, what are the differences. Okay, now let's go to the library options. Here you can see that columns name modified by. So you can add more columns also by going to this modified this view. Okay, you can see there are other columns also. See, app created by, app modified by, check-in, comment, checkout, content type. These are all that other fields are there, but these are not showing on the view. Okay, just these are selected here. Selected name, modified by. That's it. Okay, cancel. It will go back to the library. Here I am creating a document. Okay, so if you click on this, it will create a document. By going here, you can see some content types. These are called content types. Okay, click on this new document. It will open in browser, and here we can create a new document. See here, this is my first document. Yes, I am recording. This is my first document. Okay, here I am creating Johann book 1. Okay, so now go back by clicking on this, and it will create the document. See, it's created the document. Here we can create columns also. We can attach that properties to the document just by going to the library tab. Here you can create the columns the same way we can create columns how we have created in the list. See, single line of text, multi lines of text, choice, number, currency, these are all not required actually for the document, but based on the requirement we may need these columns. Okay, for example, here I am selecting one document, one column here like choice field. Okay, so what I can do, choice here, language I can keep here. Okay, okay, and I can give here languages: English, Hindi, Tamil, and Urdu. Oh yeah, these are the different languages I have added. So I can select the document and I can select the language of the document also. So default English, click OK. So just here I am attaching the property to the document. You can see here. Okay, by clicking on the quick edit, we can quick edit. Okay, but here we cannot create documents multiple as in the list. You got it what I am saying? Here see, Excel sheet doesn't allow to enter the rows because here we have to upload the documents. Got it? And here is the option to upload the documents. Actually, not only we can create from here, and from here you can upload the documents also from, and you can synchronize from your local system also. Whenever you clicking on the synchronize, it will actually open a configuration. Okay, why it is not opening? Is there any pop-up blocker? Okay, let me check later that one. Okay, here see documents how we can upload. By clicking on that upload button, this pop-up will come, and another option is there. Okay, what is that another option? Is there any document on the desktop? No. Okay, by I will drag and drop one document. Okay, is there? Okay, see, I am dragging and dropping. What happened? See, you got it? I am dragging and dropping here. This option is available in SharePoint, so you can drag and drop multiple documents. You can drag and drop multiple documents, and you can observe the language default whatever you have given default value is set here. You got it? So this is the way we can upload multiple documents. We can upload multiple documents. Clear? And you can modify whenever you want just by clicking on this. It will open in that browser only itself again. And there is a option to modify in our local Word application also. That is I will show. See here it is showing accessibility mode. I am not able to modify. Just click on that edit document. Now it is came to edit. Okay. By default it will show in read only mode. If we have a permission to edit, we can click on the edit button. But for the viewers, that edit button will not be shown. It will be hidden. Okay. Just go back. In document library there are more options actually. We will discuss. So I am not going through again the columns. Okay. I am not going through again columns because you know how we can create the columns and how we can create the views also, right? Same options will be shown in the views. Okay, go here, modify this view. There is no any difference for the list and library in the view section. Columns and sorting and filter, same tabular view, group by, total, style, nothing is different, everything is similar. Okay, so we no need to discuss on the view section and column section here. Okay, so just we can create the columns. The nothing is different here. If you see here, once again the columns section, see everything are same, even calculated column also available here. Okay, nothing is different. Okay, now the point we have to go directly to the ribbon. What we can discuss on the ribbon, and before going to ribbon I will show the quick launch menu also by clicking on this. Okay, now you can see here actually it will show preview here, document preview. Okay, just scroll down here. This is that link to share with someone, so other guys. Okay, see here you can by clicking on this document image, download a copy, print to PDF, accessibility mode, embed information. These are all that additional properties. Okay, and click on this. These are all additional properties we cannot use much, giving that feedback, privacy and cookies. These are all different. Embed information and PDF download copy, these things we can use. And open, here open is nothing but opening the document, that's it, nothing is special in this. Share, just we can share the document to the other users, and you should remember those should be in our network, not to the external people. Okay, follow, I can follow the document whenever the document is modified, whenever the document is updated, I will get a notification just by clicking on this. These three icons you can see more options. Open in Word, open in Word Online. The difference is open in Word is nothing but it will open in my local machine Word just by clicking on this. And one more thing you have to remember, while clicking on the open in Word, the Word application will run always with the user who is logged in here in the system. Okay, who is logged in the system, not with the SharePoint domain. in case if your domain and your SharePoint domain both are same, then the authentication will not ask. It will be passed automatically. But here whatever that authentication I have logged in user is different and my SharePoint login user is different. Both are in different network. So it will ask for a authentication. Let's go and open in Word. Sometimes the communication also will not be proper because that services will not be available in the system or in the SharePoint also. Then you will get some issues in the synchronization of this. Okay, I am opening in the desktop application. Just click on this and you can see here this is that pop-up came. Some files contains, this is giving a warning message because the word is opening from the site and it is requesting the word which is installed in our local machine. So the communication is happening from the website to our local application. Okay, I am giving that access as. Now the document will open in local Word document, in local Word application. Just a minute. What is happening? Let me click again. Just a minute, something pop up. Word connect, we got please close the. Just a minute, okay. Here is the box is see, you got it, sign in option. So here I have to give the login again. That is what I have said. We have to log in into the MS Word application because that MS Word application is not authorized application to access the document from the SharePoint site. Okay. Now click OK. Now you can see the document in MS Word. Just it will take some time because that needs to download into our local application. Just a minute, still it is loading, I think somewhere. Yeah, it is opening now. The document is opened and you can see it is opened in the protected view. Okay, now we can enable editing because we have permission. What I have logged in, the user is having the permission for the editing, but here we have some issues. I will tell you. Here edited, this is that MS Word document, clearly you can observe this is not in SharePoint. Okay, right, just a minute, something is minimized here. Oh my god, where is that? Here is the document. You can see clearly this is that MS Word document. I am adding here, this document is modified from MS Word client. Okay, this should be pushed to the actually SharePoint site, but here we are getting some issues. Let me check whether it will save or not properly. Okay, let me go and check here whether it is updated here. Perfect, it is updated. Okay, it is updated. When I click on this, and you can see here also we have an option, edit in Word and edit in browser. Okay, while you are trying to edit, it will show the option where you want to edit. Okay, click on that edit in browser. You can edit here also. This is the beauty of the SharePoint. What happened, Johan? Are you seeing screen? Okay, fine. Yeah. So yeah. See, this is that beauty. See, again here I am adding. This is from browser. Just a minute. Saving. Actually, this 2016 is having that option. Whenever you are modifying here, it will be synchronized in the Word also. Let me check here. Sorry, here it is not synchronized. Okay, anyway, the thing is, see, you understand, right? We can modify from the client application and we can modify from the browser also. But what is Microsoft is encouraging to modify in the browser only, not in the client, because in coming future they are completely moving to the cloud. But a few clients are there requesting for the on-premises MS Office, because banking sector, finance sector, they won't use cloud MS Office, correct? So for them, Microsoft given one more solution. The solution is they can create their own cloud environment in their own server. So what will happen? No need to install MS Office each and every system. They can install MS Office in one single server. That single server will serve MS Office to all the machines. So that kind of server we call online office. Okay, online office server. So that is actually implemented in 2016. Okay, now you understand we can create and we can modify documents from MS Word and from the browser also. Okay, let's go and other options. Let's see. Downloading, sharing is nothing but just by clicking on the sharing, you can see here you can add the users to the document. You are adding the users to the document. That's it. You are giving the special permissions to the user, and you can observe here it won't allow that other user. See, if I am trying to Manjula, see, it won't show any user, because in our users list there is no any user with the Manjula name. Okay, we have Johan. You got it? So here we can share the document to internal people only, not to the external. Got it? And you can create the link also, and we can share that link also. Okay, if you want to see that a document is shared with whom, you can see here. Actually right now it is shared with only Vijay Kumar, he is that administrator. And one more thing, you can see the same option in OneDrive. Do you have OneDrive? Go. Yes. Okay, you said you don't have. If you have, you can observe the same kind of features are available in the OneDrive also. Okay, so very similar options. Okay, if you go that get link is the same thing to sharing, rename is nothing but renaming, deleting is nothing but deleting, copy is nothing but just copy, and one more thing, you can copy and you cannot paste onto your desktop. Remember, you cannot paste to your desktop. you can paste to any other document library. And here version history. Version history is nothing but whenever you are modifying a document, it will create always a new version. Okay, so anytime if you want to roll back to that previous versions, you can roll back to the previous version without any issues. Okay, but before prior to going to this version history, you must enable that version concept, version feature in document library, that we will discuss. Properties are nothing but just document properties. Right now the document properties are here a language and others few modified by something. It's going, see, these are the properties. See, language I can change to Hindi, that's it. If you have created any more columns, you can see here those columns and you can change that column data. Click on this and advanced. See, here are that, see here the both are same, share and share with both are same. Okay, complaints details, just it will show that some details and regarding this document. So this is not much important for the end user. Actually end user it won't show even. See, these are the complaints details. Okay, you can see here content type, folder path and all. Okay, forget about this, just go again. This is important checkout. We will discuss this one bit later. Follow already as I said. And workflows. Workflows are nothing but those are a series of tasks which will execute automatically. So that algorithms we will create. Those are some series of tasks will execute. Those things we will discuss later. Have you heard earlier about workflows? Workflows. Have you heard? Yeah. Have you heard about the workflows? Yeah. Okay. We will discuss later. So you are now clear about that context menu, right? Now here also same options are available. You can see. Just a minute. Why this is not getting pop? Some browser issues, I think. No, some browser issues. Let me refresh. Now you are clear about that context menu, right? Okay. When I have selected, then only these options will enable. Otherwise, it won't. Clear? See the same option. See, whatever that options are available in the context menu, the same options are available, and again the same options will available on the files ribbon. So if you are not selecting, those will be fade mode, disabled mode. If you are selecting, then those will be enabled. Okay, see upload document, same option is available here, upload document. Okay, and new folder is nothing but yesterday we were discussed in the list concept what is the folder concept. In the document library we can create easily the folders, and for each department or for each category we can create a separate folder and we can upload the documents to the folder. Okay, we can manage easily here. Okay, and edit document. So whatever I have selected, that can be edited. If I uncheck, that will be disabled. So if I check, enabled. Okay, Now checkout and check-in, these are important. Okay, let's go forward, we will come back again. View properties, edit properties. Already I have shown what are the properties. These are the columns, extra columns what we have created, those are the properties. View properties are nothing but just we can view the properties. Edit properties are nothing but just we can edit the properties. View properties. And there in the view properties we will have that edit properties also. Edit item option is here. Using this option we can edit and delete, and you can see the version history again. Workflows, again there are checkout, all options are available. Go back. Okay, select, go files. Edit properties are nothing but just editing that. View history, share with, delete document is nothing but deleting the document. Share with is nothing but already we were discussed here. Sharing, same option. Okay, share and share with, both are same. Alert me is nothing but whenever the document is modified or deleted or anything happened, this using this alert we will get a notice. Okay, popularity trends are nothing but this is the Excel report which document is most downloading, most reading and most viewing. So the trends will be shown here. Follow is nothing but just I have explained the following. Okay, download a copy. Send to is nothing but we can send a copy, send a document workspace. Copy is nothing but we can send a copy to another document library or for other site. Manage copies are nothing but whenever you are taking a copies from here, that we can manage here. Workflows are workflows, already I said, we will discuss later part that one. So these are all not enabled because some of the features are not enabled for this document library. Okay, so that is the reason these are not enabled. And the last option, tags and notes, and you can forget about these tags and notes because this feature is deprecated now, but it is showing there it is deprecated. Okay, come back again. Where checkout? What is that checkout and check-in? Let's see. Before going to this checkout, okay, you know that source control. Source control. Have you heard about the source control? VSS, SVN. Okay. So, for example, I have opened this Johan book 1 and I am modifying, and at the same time the other user also opened the book and modifying. Okay, I have saved my document, and after 1 hour that other user saved his document. Which content will be updated into the document? Can you tell me? Same time. No. Whoever that saved last time, that document will be stored into the repository. Got it? Because the last document will be overridden that earlier users versions. You got it? Yeah, that is the option is checkout. You got it? Now if you check out, for example, let's open that let's open one more window, same site with the another user. Johan is there, right? I'm opening with that user Johan. I remember the user is this. Okay, sign in. Okay, perfect. Is signed in. Access denied. Okay, let's go to the site and first add him. Go to the site settings. Go to the people and users. It's taking time. Well, my gosh. Let's see. No. Let me go here. Okay. Now go to that members. Okay. Add here. Let me check in the visitors. I remember I have added for this site or another site. Taking much time. Okay, no, in the viewers also there is no user. Okay, let's go and add in the members group, because why I am adding into the members group, the members will be having the permission to create the document and modify the document. Okay, here I am adding Johan. Okay, share. Johan will get email that as he is added or invited to that. Okay, now he is added. Now let's don't refresh, because whenever you are refreshing, the access denied page will get refreshed. That's it. Just we have to remove that and again we have to open. Okay, here I am going to the Johan books. Okay, now what I will do, okay, let's see the magic. Go here and what you will do, check out here. Now whenever you check it out, that icon will change. See, the icon is changed, and even here also the icon will get changed actually. Let me check. It is getting refresh again. See, the icon is showing, and there is a one column actually. You can see just modifying this view. Go here, there is a column checked out to. If the documents are checked out this way, you can see that the user name for which user is checked out, that one. You can see that column. See, Vijay Kumar is checked out. Here, just refresh, you can see that Vijay Kumar is checked out. Okay, now let's go and try to modify this document. Click on that Johan book. Okay, I will tell you that this is that first document. This is that line I have added and I am modifying this. Okay, I can modify this one because I am the owner right now. I have checked out. See, this is checked out version. Okay, I am going back. This line should be shown on the document, right? But see, where is that? See, here just refresh, just check the time. It is still showing 14 minutes. 14 minutes back it was modified. Go open here, you can see only one line. See, the document is not updated because it is not checked in. Still it is in checked out status. Okay, and even if you are trying for the modify for editing, click on this edit in browser, you will get a denied. See, sorry, Word Online cannot edit this document because it is currently checked out to someone else. You got it? It will open in read only mode. That's it. You got it now? And if I check in this document, select this and go to the files ribbon again. Now check in. Here is the option called check in. You got it? Check in. Now it will ask for some comment. Retain your checkout after check-in? No. That should be check-in. It is first modification. Okay, click OK. Now if you go and here refresh, that line will be shown here. Once it is checked in, now refresh here, the line will be appear here. See, now you got it. Yeah, after retain is yeah. See, when I checked in, it is checked in, right? See what will happen. See, for example, here I am selecting. Just a minute. Why it is not enabled here? Checkout. Just a minute. Let me refresh this once. Select. Okay, now it is checked out. Okay, what I will do, I am modifying continuously. Okay, I am modifying continuously. It will take much time to publish, but I want to publish whatever modification I did till now. Okay, see, this is the way I can do. Sorry, modify in browser. Still I am modifying. This document. I am preparing a big document. Okay, so this is I am continuously modifying. I am writing a story. I am writing some exercise, some document. Okay, I do not want to let the people to modify my document till my complete the story. So what I will do, just going back, I want to publish the document till what I did. See, let me go and see, this is that checked out now, and select this document and go to the files and click on the check-in, and I want to retain my checkout as it is. Click on yes. Okay, still I am working, but the update release. Okay, still I am working, I have to work still, but I am releasing the document what I did. Okay, just click on OK. The document will not be check-in. the document will not be checked in, but when I refresh, the document content will be updated, but I cannot modify from this user because it is reserved to the Vijay Kumar, the retain. It is that you got it. So it is reserved to the Vijay Kumar. So that is what, even he is checking that content whatever he modified, again he is checked out because he is still working on the document. You got it? And there is a one more option, discard checkout. Discard checkout is nothing but just you are prepared two papers and you do not want to publish and you want to trash and you want to roll back, just discard the checkout, that's it. Okay. And one more thing, even see, this will be always in the read mode until and unless this user is checked in. Clear? Clear the confusion? Now this is the way, if the users, if there are more than one user, for example 10 users or 100 users, if they are trying to work on the single document, they cannot work on a single document. Okay, only at a time one user can work on the single document. So that overriding and all these things we can overcome here, that issue. Okay, I am checking in. And one more thing here, whenever trying to modify the document, it won't ask for modification actually. Whenever trying to, for example, I have open here and the other user also open here. Okay, just I will show an example here. Open here and here. Okay, actually it is both are online, so maybe something synchronization will happen. Let's see. Sorry, Johan. See. Okay, here it is updated. Okay. But thing is, I do not want to, this is actually introduced in the 2016. See, here Vijay Kumar cursor is here and Johan cursor is here. So this is actually showing multiple people can modify the single document at a time. This is introduced in 2016 actually, 2016 MS Office. Okay. But if you are trying to modify in 2013 MS Office, it won't be show like this. Okay. And see, this is the way. If I am trying, for example, I am trying in that 101 page and some user is trying to modifying in the 50th page, the document is totally confusion. Am I correct? See, some of the, if that way multiple users are continuously working on that single document in multiple pages, so that is the confusion thing. So that is why what we can do, here there is a one option, go back, and here also go back. Whoever trying to modify the document, they must check out. So if you enable that option, whenever the users are trying to modify the document, they have to check out, then they can modify the document. So where is that option? Go to the library settings and in the version settings, we will discuss all these settings. Come down. Require documents to be checked out before they can be edited. Click OK. Require the documents to be checked out before they can be edited. You got it? Go to the Johan documents. Go to here. Now it is a mandatory to check out whenever you are trying to modify the document. It is mandatory. Without checkout, you cannot modify the document. See, then whoever the first checkout or whoever trying to modify first, see, I am trying to modify. I have opened the document, and at the same time I have opened the document here, Johan also. Okay. And now go to this and click on that edit in browser. Now here it will ask for the checkout. See, please check out this document before editing in Word Online. You got it? Until and unless checkout, it won't allow to modify. First checkout and then modify. Without checkout, it won't allow. Then click on this and maybe they are added here. Let me check here. Is there any option to okay, he has to go back, I think. No option there. Okay, in local client, MS Office client, there is an option and the ribbon. Okay, anyway, go back and first checkout. Without checkout, we cannot modify. So first checkout. Sorry, that option will be available in the Files tab, not in the Library tab. Click on the Files, checkout. Now what will happen? Once one user is checked out, the other user cannot check out. Correct? You got it, that logic? Johan, are you there? Yeah, so once one user is checked out, the other user cannot check out the same document. So what can restrict here? Multiple users cannot work on single document. Correct? So otherwise, what will happen? One user 1 will work on the 10 page, and user 2 will work on that 50th page, and user 3 will work on that 100th page. So there is no any synchronization, there is no any communication, there is no any mapping. Everybody can work their own way. So one single document they are modifying, on different pages they are working. So to restrict all these things, the checkout is the best option. Here the mandatory, if you are enabled, so then you can completely control the uniqueness. You got it? Is it clear? Yeah, you can check in, you can send message in Skype, and you can send mail, right? Yeah, you can see here it is showing. And actually, if you are you working, do you have experience, right? See, what is this? Whenever you are seeing, this is the one square box is showing. You got it? What it is a Skype icon. Whenever you are online on Skype, it will glow up. So it will glow, and you can just by clicking on this, and you can communicate directly on Skype. You got it? So that way you can communicate with him, and you can request him to check in, and you can do that one. And there is a one option. For example, if the employee is quit from the company, once he is checked out, what will happen? It will be abandoned, right? The document will be abandoned because that is checked out. So nobody can check in again the document. That user only can check in, but that user quit the company. So what will be happen to the document? You got it? My query. So no need to worry for that. Just whoever having the permission, who is the administrator, who is the owner of the site, they can go to the library settings. There is a option manage files which have no checked in version. The documents will be shown here actually by checking the checkbox, and we can take ownership of the selection. We can take the ownership.